and welcome to a web series dedicated to learning the key fundamentals of Sanity.io. So, what is Sanity.io? Well, Sanity is a headless CMS that has changed the way we think about content management in the modern world. Whether you're a developer or a content manager, Sanity.io offers a powerful platform that allows you to structure, manage, and deliver digital content with ease. From websites to mobile apps and even IoT devices like smartwatches and smart TVs, Sanity.io provides the tools you need to create engaging experiences for your audience. So, let's dive in and explore how Sanity.io can revolutionize your content management workflow. First and foremost, Sanity is what's known as a headless CMS. And no, I don't mean like a headless horseman, okay? This means you aren't bound to many of the limitations you may experience with traditional content management systems. Headless CMSs decouple the content from the presentation layer, giving users the freedom to craft their own experiences exactly as they see fit. Another key feature is its heavily structured content. In Sanity, you can picture your content as a well-organized library. With you as the librarian, you can pretty much guarantee content remains consistent, easy to find, and easy to access. There's also real-time collaboration, like a virtual workspace for you and your team. And like most modern content management systems today, Sanity also offers version control on all its content. With this baked-in time machine, so to speak, you can access all variations of your content as it evolves over time. It's really cool. All right, coming to customizable APIs. Sanity gives users the keys to the kingdom, so to speak, with this feature, right? They have customizable APIs. I mean, let's be real. A headless CMS wouldn't be headless, or it wouldn't be very headless, without some really cool and seamless integration capabilities. There's also rich media support for things like imagery and video and complex documents, things like that. It's basically a digital asset management tool baked inside a data lake, baked inside of a content management system. It's nuts. One thing I love about Sanity is how it keeps the developers in mind every step of the way. Their main front end is React based, and their main query language is GraphQL. I mean, two extremely modern and well-known tools. What more can a developer ask for? And then finally, there's the hosting and scalability capabilities, right? Sanity truly is a platform that grows alongside its users. So whether you're like me and just want to build, I don't know, a small personal blog, or whether you're a full enterprise that wants to deliver rich and robust experiences to your customers, Sanity.io offers something for everyone. So join me in this course as we go through the key features and capabilities of Sanity.io and understand everything it has to offer for you as a customer.